Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing video of the iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra blue color. You can see that I have the iPhone 13 Pro box here. It comes in a black color and the front definitely shows that it's a Sierra blue. And if you look into the sides, you see that the size is right now very small because they no longer have the adapter. They only have very few limited elements inside. And if you see at the back of the box, you can see an arrow, green arrow at the top and a green arrow at the bottom. And these things are used to open, these things needs to be dared to open the iPhone. And yeah, I mean that's it. Like, it's a very small box and it's very minimal. You see the iPhone also, I think, written in Sierra blue color here. Now even though it looks like a normal box, but they have done very good things here. Like, when you touch at the sides, you can feel a bump, like a 3D effect, which is very nice. And also here too, like, so all the sides of the phone have a bump, as well as it has 3 cameras. And also if you touch close to the camera's edges, then also you will see the you can feel the bump. So yeah, that's just about the box. Now let's go and open it up. Okay, oh, it's soft. It's not like other things. Oh, this one is hard. Okay, so I think this should be it. Like, we should be able to open. Oh, there we go. This is the Sierra blue iPhone. Yeah, and if like we'll open it up, you can see that okay, it's covered, the screen is covered, the sides, oh yeah, it's a fingerprint magnet. I think you can already see in my video, if you look closely, that it already has a bunch of fingerprints right now itself. Yeah, it's a fingerprint magnet. But yeah, definitely the color looks nice. It looks metallic. Yeah, it's really nice. I never thought that it's going to be this nice. I had my I wasn't sure that this was the color that I need to get, but yeah, I had all the iPhones in space gray or silver, and that's why I tried to get this one. Yeah, it looks shiny, it looks new, it looks great. Yeah, the first impressions are really good. Yeah, and if I tear it open, yeah, you can see that yeah, the phone is nice, it looks gorgeous. The screen, wow, it looks really nice. It looks like a brick. If you can look, yeah, it's the edges are fine, the edges are good. It's very, very shiny. Definitely I'm going to use a cover, because whatever they say about the lens, how strong it is, but I never use it because I have seen people with shattered glasses and they are very expensive to repair. So yeah, if you want to use your iPhone for a long time, do use screen protectors and also use a cover, which I have ordered one, but I have not yet received it. And if you can look into the box, there are like 2 things. One is, yes, the charging cable. This one's the USB-C to the Lightning. So if you already have an adapter that takes in the USB-C, yeah, this one fits into it. But yeah, as I said, there is no charger. So if you don't have a fast charger, in which case I do not have, which is a surprise, given that most phones nowadays comes with fast chargers. But yeah, I have not upgraded my phone for the last 5 years, so yeah, that's something that I need to consider. But if you look into this one, I think this would be like, oh, okay, the pin to insert the SIM, and then certain before using iPhone, some documentations, and yeah, the famous Apple logo that comes with it, the sticker. I don't know why they come with the sticker. I have never used any sticker for any of the phones. I have used one sticker once, but that just went off pretty quickly. So I don't know why Apple does that. Maybe it's to stick in your car, I don't know. But yeah, that's it. Like, it's a very small unboxing because it doesn't have that many elements here. So this is it. Like, this is all that's there in the box. Yeah, and if you think that there would be charger brick, you are mistaken. I think still Apple doesn't give the charging brick. So that's it, guys. This is the unboxing video. Hope you like it. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. Cheers. Bye.